Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to replace the flex cable on a Tamron 10 to 24mm lens after it has been disassembled. Recently I had this lens which had problems with the aperture. The aperture did not work and it was caused by a faulty flex cable. So I had to disassemble the lens, replace the flex cable with a new one and then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how to replace the flex cable after the lens has been disassembled. This video is part of video series about repairing the Tamron 10 to 24mm lens. In the first video I showed you how to disassemble the lens. In this video I will show you how to replace the flex cable with a new one, and then the last video is about assembling the lens. If you're interested in the other two videos, then the links are in the description below. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that we use to replace the flex cable with a new one. I will use metal tweezers, cutting pliers, a soldering gun, desoldering pump and soldering iron, and a permanent marker, and of course a new flex cable. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also, there's an update section in the description. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. First, cut off the aperture flat cable. Remove the cable from the holder. Let's continue with desoldering the cables. Mark the side of the sensor to make sure it is put back the same position as it is there. Remove the soldering iron with the desoldering pump and soldering gun. Remove the flex cable. Let's continue with removing the cable from the motor. Remove the soldering iron and the cable. Put on the new flex cable. Solder the cable. Adhere the cable on the sensor board. Put back the sensor. Make sure that the marks are aligned, so it will be at the same position as it was there originally. Solder the sensor on the board. We finished replacing the cable. Join me in the next video where I show you how to assemble the lens. Link is in the description below. I hope this video was useful, helpful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time in my other videos.